What's happening, everybody? Happy Monday. Happy Monday. I hope you're having a fantastic day and a great start to your week. Hey, did you know that growing calendula can boost your health, enhance your garden's growth for most of your fruits, vegetables, herbs, and other flowers? In this video, you'll discover the amazing health benefits of calendula and how to successfully grow it alongside other plants in your garden for amazing results and harvests. Let's get to it. Now for me, I've struggled so far. This is my second season gardening. I've struggled with choosing the right plants to beautify the garden, but also to help other plants grow, right? The companion planting. I talk a lot about companion planting. It's also important to learn health benefits of a lot of these plants and herbs and things like that. Calendula will not only help your garden, but also an opportunity to help you and your family's health. When you harvest calendula, just take the petals and the leaves. A lot of the flower will be sticky. It'll feel sticky to the touch. That's a resinous material that the plant creates, right? A lot of herbalists think that this resinous material is the reason that it's so good for the health benefits. All right, so we have our Lake Valley calendula. I have 4 pots. I got holes already put in each. I'm just going to put plant one plant in each hole, but I'm going to put 2 seeds in each hole, just to make sure that we get some. All right, so here's the seeds for calendula. They look kind of weird, quite different than most other seeds that I've seen. Okay, so what we're going to do is I'm going to take 2 seeds, drop them in the hole, 1/4 inch deep. Now, calendula is also known as the poor man's saffron. Kind of crazy as much as saffron costs, but it's an annual plant and it's quite simple to take care of. They usually grow between 1 and 2 feet tall, usually about 1 foot wide when they grow, and you want to have them like 6 to 12 inches apart. You'll need to ensure that they are in soil that is able to drain well. Calendula will also like full sun, 6 to 8 hours a day, but they might like a little bit of shade on those hot summer months. And if you watch my videos from last season, I had shade cloth that I put up over my garden. So that we have the seeds planted. We got our little sticks, like we always do. And you'll also want to water this in a little bit, and I'll do that after the video. Okay, now some of the best companion plants for calendula is tomato, potatoes, cucumber, strawberry, peas, carrots, squash, melon, corn, basil, lettuce, spinach, peppers, asparagus, and chives. A couple of plants that you don't want to plant calendula next to is beans, cabbage, and broccoli. Now, there are also health benefits to calendula, and some of those are digestion. It's good for your hair. It's an anti-inflammation. It's good for wounds, an antioxidant. It's good for your skin, which includes burns, eczema, dermatitis, reduces scars or scar tissue. It can slow wrinkles. It's also good for yeast infections and diaper rash. Now, some of the things that you want to check to your doctor with before you start looking at calendula or using it as a tincture or salve or in your drinks or whatever the case may be. You may have some allergies to calendula, which might also go along with ragweed, chrysanthemums, marigold, and daisies. It may not be good for pregnant women because it may change the hormone levels, and it could also cause menstruation. Now, if you're getting ready to have a surgery, you also want to stay off of calendula because it tends to maybe make the blood a little bit thinner. So check with your doctor before that. I am not a doctor. Once again, I am not giving you medical advice, but these are things, health benefits, both positive and negative, to check into with your doctor. All right, there we have it. They're planted. So Calendula is also known as a trap crop, meaning that it attracts common pests like aphids, whiteflies, snails, and slugs with that sticky resin that it produces. You'll need to watch out for also powdery mildew, where the leaves, they'll start to look white. It also repels mosquitoes, and I had a ton of mosquitoes last year. They ate me up. During the season, you'll need to cut off the dead heads so that the plant continues to produce new flowers. Calendula does not like a lot of fertilizer or wet soil. So like we talked about earlier, it needs to be in soil that drains well. So some of the main points here is that Calendula not only enhances your health, beautifies your garden, but helps growth in the other plants nearby with companion planting. Make it a must-have in your garden. Don't forget to harvest the seeds when you're able to so that you can grow those next year or even keep them inside over the winter. So in summary, growing Calendula is an excellent choice for companion planting, health and overall beauty of your garden, as it pairs well with many plants. Make sure to check out my other videos that I've planted a bunch of stuff indoors already in the last couple of weeks. Leave a comment if you would on your experiences, maybe good or bad, with Calendula. Have a fantastic rest of your week and take care of each other.